Affirmations for cultivating gratitude for my family. Our families are often the source of our greatest joy and support in life. They are the people who love us unconditionally and are always there for us, no matter what. Cultivating a sense of gratitude for our families can help us to appreciate the love, connection, and support that we receive from them. Affirmations are a great way to help focus your thoughts and energy on cultivating a sense of gratitude for your family and all the blessings they bring to your life. I am grateful for the love and support of my family. I am grateful for the joy and laughter that my family brings to my life. I am grateful for the sense of belonging and connection that I feel with my family. I am grateful for the lessons and wisdom that I have learned from my family. I am grateful for the sacrifices that my family has made for me. I am grateful for the memories and experiences that I have shared with my family. I am grateful for the comfort and security that my family provides. I am grateful for the diversity and uniqueness of my family members. I am grateful for the traditions and values that my family upholds. I am grateful for the encouragement and support of my family in pursuing my dreams. I am grateful for the forgiveness and compassion that my family shows me. I am grateful for the acceptance and non-judgment of my family. I am grateful for the trust and respect that my family has for me. I am grateful for the lessons in love and kindness that my family has taught me. I am grateful for the laughter and joy that my family brings even the toughest days. I am grateful for the growth and transformation that I have experienced through my family relationships. I am grateful for the healing and restoration that my family brings to my life. I am grateful for the comfort and guidance that my family provides in times of need. I am grateful for the empathy and understanding that my family offers me. I am grateful for the opportunity to serve and love my family. I am grateful for the role of my family in shaping my identity and purpose in life. I am grateful for the power of forgiveness and reconciliation in my family relationships. I am grateful for the opportunity to build meaningful and lasting relationships with my family members. I am grateful for the blessings and abundance that my family has brought to my life. I am grateful for the infinite love and connection that I share with my family. Gratitude is a powerful tool for strengthening family relationships, building resilience, and promoting happiness and well-being. By nurturing a sense of gratitude for your family, you can develop a more positive and fulfilling family life, deepen your connections with your loved ones, and experience greater joy and contentment. Incorporating these affirmations into your daily routine can help you to foster a sense of gratitude for your family and all the blessings they bring to your life. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe. Manifest the life you deserve. Always remember the blessings of the universe are within you.